What is Somalia's hope to join the East African Union this month? The Secretary General of the East African Community, Peter Mathuki, said that Somalia may be allowed to join the organization within this month. The meeting of the heads of the countries of this organization is expected to be held on November 23-24 in the city of Arusha in Tanzania, while the regional leaders are expected to propose that Somalia join this organization. Dr. Mathuki told the participants of the African Investment Conference held on the 9th of this month in Marrakesh, Morocco, that the organization is planning to expand in the Horn of Africa, while Ethiopia is also interested in joining. The East African Union is one of the pillars of the African Union, and it is developing very much. Democratic Republic of the Congo is the latest member, along with Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, South Sudan, Burundi, and Rwanda. And that's a market of 300 million people. This November, it seems that we will add Somalia to the organization, he said. What is the EAC? It is a regional organization based in the city of Arusha in Tanzania, which was established in the year 2000 after an agreement reached by 5 of the 7 countries that it currently consists of. South Sudan became a member of the EAC in September 2016, while the Democratic Republic of Congo joined the organization in April last year. Somalia was rejected in 2016 for its EAC membership application and applied again in 2018, which was suspended until the elections in Somalia, in which the current president of Somalia, Hassan Sheikh Mahmoud, emerged. After that, in the middle of June last year, the president of Somalia attended the summit of this organization in the city of Arusha, the capital of Tanzania, which is also the current headquarters of this umbrella. Kenya is one of the most powerful countries in the organization in terms of economy and political influence, and its support is important for Somalia's desire to join the EAC. What does Somalia benefit from? 3 of the countries under this umbrella have sent Somalia to Kenya, and Kenya is home to Somalis who share blood and culture with Somalis from Somalia. The special envoy of the President of Somalia for East African Community Affairs, Abdisalan Omar Hadliye, answered this question on the BBC and said that Somalia will have many benefits by joining this organization, saying that Somalia will be a large commercial market. It is necessary for a Somali person to ask himself what you can sell or learn from a market of 300 million people, Abdisalan said, while answering what he is getting from Somalia. We can do 3 things. The most important thing that I am talking about now is getting food. We have the 3 things that we need to count on food. The envoy pointed out the 3 things to meet the need for food, which he said Somalia has all: agricultural land, sea, and animals. We have 8 million hectares of agricultural land that needs irrigation. We have the most animals in the world, or the most in Africa, and we also have the longest sea and the most fish in Africa, said Abdisalan, who believes that all these things, he reported that it can be marketed in the East African Community market. On the other hand, the Somali people have businesses in all these countries, and according to the envoy, if Somalia joins this organization, people can have an easy travel system. When the envoy was talking about what Somalia can benefit from the Union society, he said that Somalia needs skilled workers, such as health and education. And he said that many workers can benefit from the umbrella society. In addition to the market, Somalia can supply the products mentioned above.